So ayan guys, dito ako magluluto ng breakfast. Sarap na tulog ko, umaga. Ito yung aming place. Prepare tayo ng breakfast. Hey, Nathan. So first nating lulutuin ay hot dogs. Ito ay beef bacon, tsaka shakshuka and pita. Yan ang breakfast namin. This is black garlic, my homemade. Lagay natin sa pita and olive oil. Kunting salt. This one, look. Sata. This one. So, ito yung aking homemade pita. Look at that. So yan guys, ang aming breakfast for today's video. Let's eat! So on the way naman kami sa papuntang fishing. Magpipishing daw sila. Good luck kung may mahuling isda. May nadaanan pala kami ditong isa pang tourist spot. Ito yung mga bison. Ewan ko kung makikita pa namin to kasi malayo eh. Bawal lapitan, baka kami sugurin.
So fast.
We have to go closer. So let's have to go down. Behold. Cricket! Can I try and hold him?
What's that?
Cricket.
Ew.
Oh, bison. He's trying to jump off my hand.
So, alam nyo na kapag nawala ang sounds, merong problema, parang grounding. So, ito ang aming pinuntahan. Magfi-fishing daw sila. Last year kami nagpunta dito kasama yung kapatid ko. Oh.
That's on your biscuit spoon. Okay.
All good, huh?
The view. So yan guys, gusto lang mag-noodles. Pantawid gutom. Mamaya kami barbecue. Lagyan natin siya dito. Let's cook noodles. So let's eat. Nathan, look at me.
Nathan have his milk.
Checking. So, Nandito naman kami sa Cameron. Cameron! Let's go picture. So ayan guys, we're back.
Mommy, I want 3 stacks.
What?
I want 3 stacks.
3 stacks?
I mean 3 scoops.
3 scoop? No.
Why?
It's too much. You can choose it. Bubblegum, French vanilla.
Vanilla.
Ice cream again.
Oh no.
It did not work. Oh yeah. Bum, bum, bum. Look.
One, two, wow. Ayun na, the bump, ayun na, the bump.
There's deer and deer.
Ayun na, bump, ayun na, bump.
Deer.
No,
What?
it's a private house. Very good.
Hello. So show it, Talia. What you bought?
Bracelet.
Bracelet? Show. So ito ang aming dinner. Beef ribs. Ba-barbecue namin.
Yeah, brownies. Like brownies.
So yan guys ang ating dinner. Ating ribs. Beef ribs.
Ah,
Let's eat. Nathan's favorite. Steak.
look.
So breakfast. So my husband cooking for breakfast. Beans. He cook beans.
Funny.
Funny beans. Ayan ang pagkain nila. The master chef.
Actually,
So, fisher boy. Fishing
the
or
one man river.
old man river.